Unboxing with the boys.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
And what do we got today, young man?
We have the CS-HDC5EXT4KPOE.
You know, I say this every time, but I'm glad that you're doing that because I couldn't remember it.
Yeah, it's a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and start the unboxing.
Please.
If you guys want to, if you want to go ahead and start explaining what it is.
Tell me what we got. Let's see what's in there.
All right, so we'll open up the box here. First things first, we have our manual, and as always, it kind of gives you the instructions for how to use the device. Very important
Please
on this.
read.
It does tell you which to use, in the 568A or B. Go ahead and take a look at that.
And in case you don't know, we do recommend 568B.
Correct.
And
So-
just in case you don't know, why do we recommend 568B?
because we have to say something.
Yes, we do. So keep going.
With this here, we have the transmitter and receiver are stashed inside the plastic housings. So we've got the transmitter here, we've got the receiver here.
Which side does the receiver go on?
It goes at the TV.
Thank you.
And the transmitter goes inside the rack or with the source devices.
So let's see what else is in the box. Ah, an IR receiver,
Yep,
an IR emitter,
yep.
rack mount, or wall mount
mounts.
ears.
Yep.
And a power supply. Everything you need to do the installation, except for HDMI cables.
Exactly.
We recommend the MHX, MHY, and VLAX cables from Metra Home Theater Group.
Exactly.
So, tell me a little bit about the extenders.
So the extenders are they are 4K capable. We can do 4K 60 at, if you remember correctly, how far?
On this one, 150 feet?
I believe so. So with
Ooh, I
that,
got
that
lucky
gives
on
us
that.
yeah, exactly. So this is DC 5-volt power. It's not a 12-volt power system.
So it will not plug directly into your standard IR control system. You do want to use an optically isolated connection process.
And what is that?
You stick your emitter from your primary control system onto the receiver on our product, and you're good to go.
Exactly. So you'll notice here on the units themselves, we have our HDMI input on the transmitter. We have our HDMI output on the receiver. You'll have power. Now this is a power on one side, so you only have to power either the transmitter or the receiver.
Which side do we actually recommend?
We recommend the transmitter
And why is that?
because that's doing a lot of the work.
And it's also the cleaner installation
Exactly.
side. Less behind the TV is better.
You'll also notice that we have the IR in on the receiving extender. Then we have the IR out on the transmitter.
So that you can control your source from your display.
So it's one direction.
Yes.
Okay. On the other side of it here,
Hey, I saw that band.
yeah, we have a reset button on both of them. All that this is doing here is going to reset the unit to try and calibrate the distance of the category wire.
So it's auto calibrating, so when you plug the system in, hit the reset, let it do its job, and you should be good to go.
Exactly. We have our CAT6 in, and you can also use CAT5E. And then, of course, you also have your power LED to let you know that the connection is on, that the unit is on and powered on and connected.
I would also like to point out that there's a tremendous amount of ventilation on our products because we know what it takes to keep these things cool and functioning long term.
Exactly. So, guys, this has been the CS-HDC5EXT4KPOE. So definitely check this unit out. It's available now. You can go on see it online at metrahometheater.com or check with your reps.
Check with our usual social media sites, Facebook and YouTube and Instagram.
Yep.
This has been another episode of Unboxing with the Boys. I'm Brent.
I'm Adam.
Thank you.
Thanks.